Hi guys, this is Neha and welcome back to my channel. So आजको भिडियो चाहिँ एउटा shopping haul हो. Hope you guys like it किनकि shopping haulहरु चाहिँ धेरै डिमान्डमा छ, त्यही भएर मैले चाहिँ यो भिडियो बनाएको हो. तपाईहरुलाई मेरो भिडियो मन पर्यो भने प्लिज मेरो भिडियोलाई लाइक गरिदिनुस्. Also comment down below तपाईहरुलाई यस्तो भिडियोस मन पर्छ भए फ्युचरमा म शेयर गर्नेछु. So अब केही नबोल्दै let's start with the video. This t-shirt is this plain white t-shirt. यो चाहिँ अलि हल्का कैसे कुछ छ but यो चाहिँ एउटा plain white t-shirt हो as you can see हैन. यो चाहिँ मैले खिजा पोखरीबाट किनेको थिएँ. This costed me around 190 rupees, so I guess it was a good purchase. अनि यो white basic t-shirt हुनु त एकदमै important हुन्छ, त्यही भएर मैले यो किनेको हो. Second item चाहिँ यो one piece. It's like a one piece with like this type of ruffle neck and with bell sleeves. मेरो knee-सम्म पुग्छ होला यो one piece. यो चाहिँ मलाई मेरो दिदीले पठाइदिनु भएको and it is from the brand H&M. So this type of floral prints are always in fashion, and in summer obviously floral prints are always in. So yeah, I really love this. So the third item is a t-shirt dress, you can see it comes above my like knee, knee भन्दा अलि माथि नै हुन्छ. अनि यो चाहिँ मैले 500 मा किनेको थिएँ. Can you guys believe it? यो चाहिँ मैले खिजा पोखरीमा सेलमा पाएको थिएँ पिपल्स प्लाजामा. अनि सुन यसको चाहिँ नेपाल 1000 रुपैयाँ च्यालेन्ज चाहिँ मेरो च्यानलमा अपलोड हुन लागेको छ. This took a time but I'll upload soon, so मेरो च्यानल सब्स्क्राइब गरिदिराख्नु होला. This is a t-shirt dress and यो चाहिँ very casual हुन्छ. Like this is a type of clothing when you are like I have nothing to wear and you are so bored and lazy to change, then this is a perfect option for those days. अनि fourth item चाहिँ फेरि एउटा basic t-shirt हो. यो पनि मलाई मेरो दिदीले पठाइदिनु भएको थियो हैन. यो पनि H&M ब्रान्डकै हो. यो चाहिँ हल्का लामो छ हैन. It kind of is like very big, so I'm not worried yet, but I can tie a knot and it really looks cool हैन. मैले बाहिर चाहिँ एकचोटि पनि लाएको थिएँ, but I'm going to soon wear it. Fifth item is a yellow color off-shoulder top with this type. This is really basic, but you off-shoulder layers. I really like it. This just adds a bit extra bit, fashion. So when I wear it, I just tie a knot, or just tug it into my pants and look really stylish because my like the mid-length t-shirt but yeah, it's off-shoulder. And the yellow is just so bright and happy color in summer to be worn. So yeah, I really love it. Orka item is your pant, you can see. Mathi pani is the design and taller, so it's like white. It's not shoes, it's the halgo design bubble. So wide length, taller. It's like cute style, and I got it for only 1050. I guess I got it from Mahabauta and it was really cheap. Like 1050 was a good deal for this band, so I really love this. The other two items are kurtas. So yeah, if you are not into kurtas, then you might not like it. But the first one is this really basic, just it has this and it is really long. Use a full length and I really like it. Use a mero auntie so I don't know its price, but yeah, these are like common day parties or long legs. I really love this. Last item is your kurta, and it's like it comes just below my knee, not just below my knee. You say like quarter length, quarter knee bhanda pani alि lamo tara full length haina. And I just love it to wear as a one piece, and it also came with this belt. when I wear this casually, I just wear a normal belt with this and it really looks fashionable हैन. अनि यो चाहिँ कुर्ता हो तर म चाहिँ वन पिस जस्तै गरेर पनि लाउँछु अनि एज अ कुर्ता पनि लाउँछु. अनि दिस वाज फर अराउन्ड आई गेस 1300 or 1400. It's been a while I purchased it, so I'm confused, but it was around 13 or 1400. Hope you guys like my video, and if you do, then don't forget to give my video a big fat thumbs up and do comment down below if you want to see more of this kind of videos. This is my first shopping haul, so I'm not sure kasto bhacha tara tapaharulai man paryo भने please comment down गरिदिनु अनि म यस्तै भिडियोजहरु बनाउँछु हैन. अनि मेरो अरु 1000 रुपैयाँ च्यालेन्जहरु नेपाली अनि त्यस्तो भिडियोजहरु पनि छ, मेकअप भिडियोजहरु पनि छ, उनीहरुलाई पनि चेक गरिदिनुहोस्. सबैको लिंक मेरो डिस्क्रिप्सन बक्समा छ. अनि also follow me on Instagram. मेरो Instagram handle चाहिँ यही कला छ. So yeah, follow me there. And that's all. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.